Namaste everyone. Today we'll be practicing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This is also called as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This is very important practice of Pranayama. This can be practiced by everyone. It nourishes the whole body. There are many variations in this. In this video, I'm going to explain all the variations. Come and join me in the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Thank you for joining. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama has 4 techniques. Technique 1 and 2 are for the beginners. Technique 3 and 4 are for the advanced practitioners. In this video, we'll talk about technique 1 and 2. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama should not be practiced while suffering from cold, flu or fever. This pranayama is called as psychic network purification. Sit in any meditative posture. Keep the head, spine, neck erect in a straight line. Relax the whole body and close the eyes. Practice yogic breathing for some time. Adopt Nasagra Mudra with the right hand and place the left hand on the knee in Chin Mudra or Ajna Mudra. In the Nasagra Mudra, rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger is above the left nostril. These two fingers control the flow of the breath in the nostril. Now we'll start with the technique 1. In the technique 1, you inhale and exhale through only one nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale and exhale through the left nostril for 5 times. Rate of inhalation and exhalation should be normal. Be aware of each breath. After completing 5 breaths, release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril and press the left nostril with the ring finger, blocking the flow of air. Now slowly inhale and exhale through the right nostril 5 times, keeping the respiration rate normal. Now slowly lower the hand and breathe 5 times through both the nostrils. This is one round. Practice this for 3 to 5 minutes or for 5 rounds, making sure that this stage is mastered before continuing to the next stage. In the next stage, begin to control the duration of each breath. Count the length of inhalation and exhalation through the left, right and both nostrils. Breathe deeply without strain. While inhaling, count mentally 1, 2, 3 until the inhalation ends comfortably. While exhaling, count 1, 2, 3. You can also count as 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om, like this. Notice the length of each breath. This practice increases the awareness of the sensitivity to the health in the nostril. Minor blockages are removed and the flow of breath in both nostrils becomes more balanced. Now the next technique is called alternate nostril breathing. In this technique, you are going to begin with equal inhalation and exhalation using the ratio of 1:1. Close the right nostril with the thumb and inhale through the left nostril. At the same time, count mentally 1, 2, 3. Not bend the elbows, keep your spine erect. Breathe slowly and deeply without strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril. While exhaling through the right nostril simultaneously, count 1, 2, 3 or 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. Count mentally. Breathe deeply without any strain. Now close the left nostril with the ring finger and release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril. While exhaling through the right nostril, simultaneously count 1, 2, 3. The time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal on both the nostrils. Exhale. Practice this for 2 to 5 rounds. This technique too begins to process of introversion, which is not recommended for people who are withdrawn or depressed. After perfecting the 1:1 ratio, it can be changed to 1:2. Inhale for a count of 5 and exhale for a count of 10. Practice alternate nostril breathing for some time for 5 to 10 rounds. Technique 2 gives more pronounced balancing of the breath and the brain. It has a calming effect and relieves anxiety, improves concentration and stimulates Ajna chakra. The ratio of 1:1 in stage 1 establishes a calming rhythm for the brain and the heart. As the count is extended, the breath slows down, the respiration becomes more efficient because of the airflow is smoother and less turbulent. The ratio helps people with respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. The ratio 1:2 in stage 2 gives a profound relaxation. The heartbeat and pulse rate slow and blood pressure drops, but the extension of a count should be built up slowly. It is very important to keep the spine erect throughout the pranayama practice. If the flow of breath in the nostril is unequal, it may be balanced by practicing Padadirasana as the breath balancing technique. Beginners should be familiar with the abdominal breathing before starting the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. We have come to the end of this session. We hope you have enjoyed the practice. Thank you for joining. Namaste. We'll see you in the next video.